The future of drones is just about here. DJI's Mavic 4 Pro is on the verge of making waves, and the leaks are rolling in at lightning speed. We've got everything from teaser images and a complete spec sheet to leaked pricing details from Europe. Thanks to insiders like Jasper Ellens, Igor Bogdanov, and Hakasushi, we now have a sneak peek at what might just be DJI's most formidable drone yet. So, let's dive into everything you need to know about the Mavic 4 Pro. First up, let's talk about the camera system. And wow, does it pack a punch. The Mavic 4 Pro is rocking a brand new 4.3 CMOS sensor from Hasselblad. It's said to be capable of 100 megapixels. While that's likely a result of upsampling, since a 4/3 sensor can't physically handle native 100 megapixels, it's still seriously impressive. This drone brings 6K video at 60 frames per second, boasting HDR, dual native ISO, and the exceptional color science Hasselblad is known for. Plus, it delivers a 10-point starburst effect and an eye-popping 16 stops of dynamic range. To put that in perspective, the Mavic 3 Pro only offered 12 to 14 stops depending on settings. So yeah, this is a major leap forward, and we're talking cinema-level quality. Now, let's explore the lenses. The Mavic 4 Pro features a 70mm mid-telephoto lens with a 1.3-inch sensor and a 168mm zoom lens with a 1.5-inch sensor. Both lenses support 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR. These lenses have an aperture of f2.8, dual native ISO, and D-Log for consistency across the cameras, ensuring your color grading stays flawless. And the 168mm zoom lens even comes with a built-in panoramic mode. No stitching required. Just point it at your subject and you'll get high-res, wide-angle panoramic shots directly from the sky. How cool is that? The Mavic 4 Pro's gimbal? Let's just say it's an absolute game changer. The new Infinity gimbal has been completely redesigned to allow full 360-degree horizontal rotation and a 70-degree tilt upwards. This gives you creative flexibility you could only dream of with older DJI drones. What about ND filters? While DJI had plans for electronic ND filters, it looks like those may not make the first launch due to some technical issues. But don't worry, there's still a chance we'll see them later on. Obstacle detection is another highlight of the Mavic 4 Pro. It comes with 6 fisheye sensors that work perfectly in low light, plus dual processors to help the drone dodge obstacles at speeds of up to 18 meters per second. If it's flying in near total darkness, a forward-facing LAR system kicks in, using ambient light or street lamps to spot obstacles. The best part? It will automatically stop to avoid collisions, even in tough conditions. Now, let's talk about transmission. DJI is introducing the O4 Plus standard, capable of 10-bit HDR video transmission for up to 30 kilometers. It's optimized for urban environments, so you'll get fewer signal drops even in crowded, interference-heavy areas. When it comes to the controller, the new DJI RC Pro 2 is generating a lot of buzz. It features a 7-inch mini LED display that's bright and clear, perfect for vertical shots like Reels, Shorts, or TikToks. The joysticks are detachable, making it compact and easy to transport. Plus, there's a built-in microphone with support for DJI's mic system, ideal for content creators who need to capture high-quality audio on the go. In terms of flight specs, the Mavic 4 Pro is a powerhouse. DJI claims it can stay in the air for up to 51 minutes, reach speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour, and fly as far as 41 kilometers. That's a whole new level of endurance and performance. The Mavic 4 Pro looks set to be DJI's biggest leap yet, combining a killer camera system, reworked flight tech, innovative gimbal angles, and professional-level endurance. Are you planning on getting one? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.